Hello my viewers at home and welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Express. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, Larry Olenka, Senior Special Assistant to Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory FCT, recently expressed his support for a proposal regarding the distribution of value-added tax (VAT) based on consumption patterns. In a tweet, Olenka argued that states that prohibit the consumption of alcohol should not receive a share of VAT generated from alcohol sales in other states. Olenka's comment come amid ongoing discussions about tax reforms in Nigeria, particularly concerning how VAT is currently allocated among deceased states. He emphasized that it is unjust for states that do not allow alcohol consumption to benefit from taxes collected on alcoholic beverages sold in states where such consumption is permitted. This stance aligns with broader calls for a more equitable distribution of tax revenues, particularly as many states feel marginalized by the existing VAT sharing formula. According to the tweet by Larry Olenka, I support that VAT should be shared based on consumption. For instance, a state that prohibited a consumption of alcohol must not share from VAT generated from consumption of the same alcohol in other states. The current VAT distribution system has been criticized for disproportionately favoring states like Lagos, Rivers, and the Federal Capital Territory, which hosts most corporate headquarters and generates significant tax revenue. According to recent data from the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, these three regions collectively receive over 70% of the total VAT collected, leaving other states with minimal financial returns. Olenka's proposal reflects a growing sentiment among various stakeholders who advocate for reforms that would ensure all states benefit fairly from tax revenues based on actual consumption within their borders. His debate has gained traction as lawmakers consider new tax reform bills aimed at addressing these disparities. Advocates argue that implementing a consumption-based sharing model would not only promote fairness but also encourage states to develop their local economies and consumption patterns. The proposed changes could lead to a more balanced fiscal landscape across Nigeria, where every state has an opportunity to benefit from its economic activities. Olenka's tweet has sparked discussions. Online, highlighting the complexities of tax policies in Nigeria and the need for reforms that reflect the realities of consumption and revenue generation across different regions. As the dialogue continues, it remains to be seen how many policymakers will respond to these calls for change and whether they will prioritize equitable tax distribution in future legislation. My viewers at home, what's your reaction to this? As a Senior Special Assistant to Nyesom Wike speaks on tax reforms, says states that prohibit alcohol must not share from VAT generated from its consumption. That is according to Larry Olenka, a Senior Special Assistant to Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, the FCT. Alright, drop your reaction in the comment section. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and share this report across all news platforms. Okay. Uche Nwosu here says any policy that will benefit Nigerians is always against the North. We can clearly see that it is the North that's holding Nigeria down. Okay. Hakim Salam here also commented saying cheering from alcohol money is a sin, so when practicing our religion it should be total. Even if the money is shared to those states, common sense should be applied to return such haram money. Another here says that if a Sharia is against the sale and consumption of alcohol, it should also be against benefiting financially from the production and sales of alcohol. Anyone who says otherwise is simply a hypocrite. Plus 234 says no state should give VAT to the North again from the southern Niger henceforth. The southern governors must meet to decide on this. Okay, so the southern governors must meet to decide on this. Nicholas Asuku says a comment like these show that most of these so-called educated southerners are only literate and not actually educated. The grains used to produce the alcohol comes from the North, and no VAT was paid on it because agricultural products are considered as essential commodities. If VAT is paid on agricultural products, the North will generate more VAT than any other region in Nigeria, since agriculture is responsible for over 45% of the GDP. Okay. Montero says exactly, use the money generated to fix your domain. People can't be consuming alcohol in their regions and expect another region to enjoy the profit. Who does that? Okay, I take this again, please. It says exactly, use the money generated to fix your domain. People can't be consuming alcohol in their regions and expect another region to enjoy the profit. Okay, that is it. Use what you consume to benefit your region. As you consume it, then the benefit that comes, use it to develop your region. Okay, but as it is now, as you consume and you pay tax on it, and the tax you pay on what you consume is being used to develop other region, which is the northern part of the country. That is the case we have here. Alright, thanks so much for listening. Ensure you subscribe to our channel. Bye for now. Do join us in the other news. Okay, subscribe to our channel, please. Bye for now. Alright.